Yeah, now anybody
Yes.
that has an extended magazine, which is illegal in New York, has a legal argument for saying I can't be punished. They weren't. They weren't even U.S. citizens.
Yeah, you can't go out,
Oh
bad
yeah,
boy.
but that Obama judge said illegal aliens have a right to the Second Amendment.
Mm-hmm.
You see the poor silverback gorilla sitting in his cage and he's angry and throwing stuff around. It's not him, it's his environment. So let's go with Brad, the DA. Have him bring said gorilla home with him.
Mm-hmm.
And see how it goes.
Yes.
So when both his arms are ripped out of his socket, then he'll be like, you know what? I think these gorillas are dangerous. It's not the zoo. So the same thing is happening here where they think people are good until they show up at their house with a hammer. Then all of a sudden, we need to change the law.
You're a bad boy. And so is that squirrel. He's a pig. That whole bell is almost gone. Bad boy. Yeah, it's not all about you, Bug. No, you can't jump up here. I'm recording the squirrel. Now stop. Look at this. Get down. Opie?